Welcome back to Casa Grande. Again, we are visiting the community of Arroyo Grande. So if you have not heard of it, ask me for more details and we'll get them for you. We're gonna go in the number 2 model here at this community. Again, we are in Casa Grande. Love this entrance already. This is my first time setting foot in here, so you're getting, oh man, you're getting my literal, honest opinion about this house, as I don't even know what this floor plan is. But this looks like a casita type situation here. Oh, this is jazzy. Okay, so this is like a, wow. Okay, give me a second to get my bearing here. So we've got a mother-in-law suite. This is not necessarily a casita, but it's a mother-in-law suite, for lack of a better term. So please, nobody take my head off. So this has its own bedroom, but as you can see, there's a little, what do you call it, alcove. So if you wanted to put a couch or something over here in this section, you can do it. Or Murphy bed would be cool. There's so much you can do in this. Or if you got, like I said, an 18-year-old that you don't want to kick out the house yet, give them this space. They got their own bathrooms. There's double bathrooms in here. Double sinks, in this bathroom. And nice closet. And there's a door to the bathroom, which if you know me, you know I like doors to bathrooms because that's not a thing in Arizona. And it's got a stand-up shower. I'm not sure if that is standard or an upgrade, but I can definitely ask if that's a concern for you. But so far, I like this first room. So here is the first bathroom, so to speak, into the house, because that's obviously its own situation over here through that door. This is the first bathroom in the house. Doesn't seem like as deep of a tub as was in model number 1. So if you check out my videos in model number 1, you'll see what I was talking about. But I like the choice of countertops in here also. Here is a hallway closet here with shelves. So storage is obviously was considered. So this bedroom is, I think it's that bed that's making this bedroom look small. I don't know if that was a good choice. Here's the closet. The carpet goes all the way in the closet. This is a big closet for this size room. This closet's huge, but I think it's the bed choice, but it's got, they made it work. So you can put a television on top of this dresser here. And so it can work, but yeah, I don't know if I would put this bed in here, but this is probably, you can get maybe a full size bed at best. I don't know if you want to squeeze a queen in here or not. That might be a little tight. However, that's a huge closet in bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is a little bigger, as you can see. Again, you have to kind of maneuver things a little way in order to get the room to do what you want it to do, but it's not, there's a lot of space in here, honestly speaking. So bedroom number 2 is not too small at all. It's a smaller closet than bedroom number 1. So keep that in mind. Bigger room, smaller closet, bedroom number 2. Love the doors. If you didn't see those, check those doors out. Pretty dang cool. And we're going to head back into the main artery of the house. Here we go. I like this house so far. So off to the right, we've got more hallway. So we've got the powder room here. A small powder room, but it's not teeny. So this is a nice size powder room. The laundry room is huge and has a sink. So again, this might be an upgrade, but if it's something that you like, at least you can see what it looks like. Same shelf as the other one, but plenty of space to actually come in here and not feel like you need to walk directly out of the laundry room. So we're gonna go into the living room area back here. I like this floor plan. So here we got, wait a minute. Now that I'm looking at this, unless there's a door somewhere. Okay, we found it. There it is. So back up. Here is the living room, dining room. It's basically an open floor plan. But what's cool is it's open from here. So you got plenty of footsteps to get to before you get back here to this part of the house. But I do like the way it's laid out. There's your dining area in the back. There's your kitchen over here with your island. Love those cabinets. Here is your walk-in pantry. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Nice. It's a good size walk-in pantry. Enough space for a really nice size refrigerator there. So this is more of a chef's kitchen. So again, I'm pretty sure this is going to be an upgrade. I will find out for sure if this is the way the floor plan is laid out, or if that's you know, upgrade situation type stuff. But I love this island here. Love the counter space here. And then again, here is, if you're one of those entertaining type people, you would love this floor plan, honestly speaking, because you can entertain while you feed your guests. All right, so back here is the primary bedroom. So primary bedroom, again, nice size primary bedroom. You got a lot of foot space, but it's like, okay, what do I do with it? Here's just giving you an idea of how this looks. If you take that out, that kind of closes that off and gives you more space. If you take that door out, but if not, then this is all the wall space you've got. You've got a lot of space in here, but not a lot of wall space, if that makes sense to you. So that obviously, king size bed, plenty of space between the walls and the nightstands and everything. But again, it's a lot of foot space, not a lot of wall space. So take that information as you may. Love this freaking, that's nice, that's nice. You got a door to your toilet room there, double sinks with countertop space. Let's see what the closet looks like. Not too bad. You got double, so you got this end, got the middle, got that end. Oh, and it goes around. Oh, okay, that changes things. Closet's amazing in here. But this shower is gorge. I love this shower. I absolutely love this shower. It's a double shower. Again, that could definitely be an upgrade. I would have to find out if that is the case for you. So this is a 3/4 bedroom home, depending on what you do with that front bedroom that we went into first. But out of 1, 2, and 3 so far, number 2 definitely gets my vote. Let me know if you're looking in the Casa Grande area for a new home. 623-207-7146. Have a great day.